Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your number one source for income-oriented investing. And Portfolio Update 48 is out exclusively on the Rumble platform. So to view the video, you check out the video description, and the very first link at the top will be a link to the video exclusively on Rumble. And in case you didn't know, the last portfolio unveil was taken down by YouTube. I even got a strike. As you could see here, the strike is going to expire on July 26th. So until further notice, for the next couple, for the May and June at least, portfolio unveils are going to be unveiled exclusively on Rumble. And I just want to say thank you, a big thank you to everyone with all the comments and messages and emails supporting me. I even recently got another strike due to the Harvest Bitcoin ETFs, but the good news is that I appealed that decision and won. So the video is available and that strike was removed. But until I really understand why I'm getting flagged for my portfolio unveiled video, or until this strike is gone, I'm going to be uploading the portfolio unveil videos on the Rumble platform. So make sure you follow me on Rumble as well, everyone, because I'm going to be uploading my content on the Rumble platform as well. But again, I just want to say thank you to everyone for the best wishes and the support in the Facebook group and messages and emails and everything. We really appreciate it. And many of you have asked me, how we could support you further. If you really love this channel, you're dependent on the content, you really like the content, you want to support us further, you could always become a PII Inner Circle member. Just click on that little join button where the subscribe button is usually is. And by the way, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe as well. We're well on our way to 100,000 subscribers. Thank you very much, everyone. So click on that little join button, see what the program is all about, and that's how you could subscribe assist or support this channel even more so. So again, check out the portfolio unveil available on the Rumble platform. Thanks everyone. Take care.